What if I told you that one tiny red spice sitting quietly in your kitchen could help you burn fat more efficiently, ease chronic pain, support your heart, improve digestion, and even protect your brain as you age? And yet, most people use it completely wrong. Or worse, ignore it entirely. Today, we're uncovering the truth about cayenne pepper, backed by modern science and explained in a way that actually works for your body after 50. Because one of these benefits could change how you think about your health forever. For thousands of years, cultures around the world, from ancient Mesoamerica to traditional Asian medicine, have treated cayenne pepper as far more than food. They called it the fire that heals. And now, modern research is catching up. The active compound inside cayenne, capsaicin, has been studied extensively in recent years for its effects on metabolism, circulation, inflammation, and even cellular health. But here's the problem. Most people either use too much and irritate their body, use too little and get no benefit, or use it at the wrong time entirely. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 12 powerful, science-backed benefits, the exact right way to use cayenne safely, and a simple step-by-step plan anyone over 50 can follow. Let's begin. Number 1, ignites a slower metabolism. As the years pass, your metabolism naturally begins to slow, often without you noticing it at first, until weight gain becomes harder to ignore and the same meals start producing very different results. This is where cayenne pepper begins to quietly support your body. The active compound, capsaicin, gently stimulates thermogenesis, a process where your body produces heat and burns more calories even while at rest. Over time, this encourages your body to rely more on stored fat for energy, making cayenne a simple yet effective addition to maintaining metabolic balance. Number 2, supports healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure often develops silently, building gradually while placing constant strain on your heart and blood vessels. Cayenne pepper supports this system by enhancing nitric oxide production, which helps relax and widen the blood vessels. This allows blood to flow more easily and reduces the pressure your heart must generate with each beat. With consistent, moderate use, cayenne supports circulation and vascular flexibility, helping your cardiovascular system function more efficiently and reducing long-term stress on your arteries. Number 3, eases nerve and joint pain. Persistent aches, joint stiffness, and nerve discomfort can slowly limit your daily movement and overall quality of life. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which works by reducing a chemical known as substance P, responsible for transmitting pain signals to the brain. Over time, this helps decrease the intensity of discomfort and allows your body to feel more at ease. This is why capsaicin is commonly used in topical pain relief creams, offering a natural way to support comfort and improve mobility. Number 4, clears stubborn sinus congestion. If you often feel blocked or unable to breathe freely, cayenne pepper can provide fast and noticeable relief. Its natural heat stimulates the nasal passages, helping to thin mucus and reduce inflammation that restricts airflow. This allows your sinuses to open more effectively, making breathing feel clearer and more comfortable. While the initial sensation may feel intense, it quickly gives way to a sense of relief, helping restore that simple but essential ability to breathe deeply. Number 5, reduces hidden inflammation. Inflammation is one of the most overlooked contributors to chronic health conditions, often developing quietly over time. Cayenne pepper helps regulate inflammatory pathways within the body, particularly those linked to long-term tissue stress and damage. Capsaicin works to calm this internal response, allowing the body to maintain a more balanced state. With regular use, cayenne may support improved joint comfort, better cardiovascular health, and greater overall resilience. Number 6, stabilizes blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to sudden drops in energy, increased cravings, and long-term metabolic strain. Cayenne pepper helps support more stable blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and assisting your cells in using glucose more efficiently. This reduces sharp spikes and crashes after meals, especially those high in carbohydrates. As a result, energy levels remain more consistent, helping you feel more balanced throughout the day. Number 7. Supports gut health. Your digestive system plays a central role in overall health, influencing everything from nutrient absorption to immune strength. Cayenne pepper contributes to a healthier gut environment by supporting a better balance of beneficial bacteria while limiting harmful strains. This creates a more stable digestive system, improving comfort and reducing issues such as bloating or irregular digestion. When used consistently, Cayenne helps strengthen the foundation of your overall well-being. Number 8. Improves cholesterol balance. Cholesterol is often misunderstood, but the balance between different types is what truly matters. Cayenne pepper has shown potential in supporting healthier lipid levels by helping lower LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while supporting HDL, the protective form. This balance plays a key role in preventing plaque buildup within arteries. With regular use, Cayenne contributes to improved circulation and supports long-term heart health. Number 9. Enhances digestion and bile flow. A heavy or sluggish feeling after meals often signals that your digestive system needs support. Cayenne pepper stimulates the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing important nutrients. This allows your body to process food more efficiently and prevents discomfort after eating. Improved digestion also supports better absorption of key vitamins, making cayenne a valuable addition to your daily routine. Number 10. Fights harmful microbes. In a time when infections are becoming more resistant, natural antimicrobial support is increasingly important. Cayenne pepper contains compounds that have shown activity against certain bacteria and fungi, helping support the body's natural defenses. While it is not a replacement for medical treatment, it acts as an additional layer of protection. When used regularly, cayenne helps maintain a healthier internal environment and supports immune function. Number 11. Boosts circulation. Healthy circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of your body, especially the hands and feet. As circulation declines with age, symptoms such as coldness or numbness may appear. Cayenne pepper helps stimulate blood flow by supporting the function of blood vessels and improving microcirculation. Over time, this leads to better warmth, improved tissue health, and an overall sense of vitality throughout the body. Number 12. Supports cellular health. At the deepest level, your health depends on how well your cells function and renew themselves. Emerging research suggests that compounds in cayenne pepper may support natural cellular processes, including the removal of damaged cells. This process plays an important role in maintaining healthy tissues over time. While research is still developing, the findings are promising and highlight cayenne's potential as part of a balanced, long-term approach to health. Safe usage, critical for 50-plus audience. Let's be clear. More is not better. Start small and build slowly. Simple protocol. Week 1, tiny pinch daily. Week 2, increase slightly. Week 3 plus, maintain moderate intake. Avoid or consult a doctor if you have ulcers or severe acid reflux, you're on blood pressure or blood thinning medication, you're highly sensitive to spicy foods. 30-day transformation plan. Imagine this. Over the next 30 days, you begin to notice better digestion, warmer hands and feet, less stiffness in your joints, more stable energy throughout the day. That's not magic. That's consistency. Start small. Stay consistent. Let your body adapt. Cayenne pepper isn't just a spice. It's one of the simplest, most affordable tools you can use to support your body as you age. And the truth is, we're just finally learning how to use it the right way. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit the like button so more people over 50 can discover this. Comment below, have you ever tried Cayenne for health? And subscribe, because your next video might just help you feel better than you have in years, and if you want to go deeper. Watch my next video on powerful natural remedies most people ignore, because sometimes the smallest habits create the biggest changes.